Finally, we have good weather. We are on day 6 of our outdoor overhaul makeover challenge, and this is the very first beautiful sunny day that we've had. So today we are going to get started with some pressure washing. This whole patio is going to get clean, and I've got 2 hours to do it. So let's get started. So if you recall from my last video, we are doing an outdoor overhaul makeover challenge. Myself and my readers and viewers, we are tackling our outdoor spaces in 30 days. And so the first thing I needed to do was just get everything out of the way and then remove all the debris. You do not want to be pressure washing with leaves and things in your way. So go ahead and blow all that stuff away and just make sure that you're wearing some long sleeves and eye protection, of course. To get this patio really clean, we're going to use the brand new RYOBI 2300 PSI brushless electric pressure washer. I did say electric. And we're going to use about 1 gallon of water mixed with some pressure washer detergent. Now, you don't have to use this, but I like to use this because mine is really dirty and I'm going to need all the help I can get. So definitely adding soap. Make sure that you read the instructions because it depends on what you're pressure washing. It will determine which nozzle you use. Now, because we're going to be using soap, it tells us to use the blue or black nozzle. So that's what we're going to use. We're going to go for the blue, but we're also going to switch to the black because it works really, really well. I started with coating the patio with a little bit of soap and water, and then I switched to the turbo nozzle because it just got a lot of that grime off really quickly, and it didn't actually take me 2 hours. It took more about an hour, maybe hour and a half, and I was able to get through it pretty quickly. But I do have to say that if you roll your rug up for the fall and the winter, you won't have to go through this process. So that's a much easier solution than having to pressure wash it every single year. But if you are like me and you are a little lazy, you can use a pressure washer and it will get it really, really clean. And it's a great solution for a dirty, dirty patio. So that night I only had about 2 hours to get my pressure washing done. But guess what? I didn't finish because you know how it is. When you grab that wand, you want to pressure wash everything, especially when you see the gunk just flying off the surface. But anyway, we will use this again throughout the entire month of this challenge. I'm sure of it. So let's take another look at how this patio looked before I started pressure washing. This was about a year's worth of grime building up, and this was the perfect time to do it during this challenge, and it looks amazing. So be sure to stick with us because we are making over our outdoor spaces, and this is just part 1 of many more things that we're going to be doing to this outdoors. I will see you on the blog, and be sure to check out ryobitools.com for more information about the pressure washer and other outdoor tools that you need to make your outdoors look amazing. I will see you at thriftdiving.com, and I'll see you next video.